Hello everyone, I am Dr. Lipi Gupta and I am a dermatologist, and today we are going to discuss about besides medication which are used for management of acne, there are certain other procedures like chemical peels, lasers and microneedling which can also be done to treat such patients. Chemical peels are solutions in which medications are present in a higher quantity which help in treating both active acne as well as acne-induced hyperpigmentation. Chemical peel is generally performed in multiple sessions in which a medication is applied after the face is cleaned. The medication is left on the face for a desired amount of time and then the face is cleaned. There can be mild irritation and tingling sensation and a little redness, but it resolves within a day or so. This chemical peel can be done on the face, as well as the same procedure can be carried out on other body parts like the back, arms and legs and other areas where the acne is present. To help in treating the acne-induced scars, there are procedures like collagen induction treatment, microneedle radiofrequency and carbon dioxide lasers which are done to treat acne scars. Out of this, collagen induction therapy is something which is commonly done because of the advantage of very less downtime and the procedure being simple. This works very well when the acne scars are mild to moderate, whereas for deeper acne scars, we prefer the patients to go for CO2 laser or for microneedle radiofrequency. In all these acne scar reduction procedures, the procedure is generally done once every 3 to 4 weeks and the patient requires around 4 to 6 sessions to achieve a good cosmetic result. It is important to understand that treating adult acne is sometimes tricky and sometimes difficult when we are treating adolescent acne. In adolescent acne, it's a lack of proper hygiene. It is the hormonal changes which are happening during teenage which trigger acne, whereas in adult acne we need to be more careful with the hormonal imbalances, the oral medications, the lack of proper lifestyle, bad eating habits. Adult acne is sometimes difficult to treat compared to adolescent acne because we need to be sure about the causes which are triggering it, and besides the medications which are generally given in adolescent acne, we need to add on hormonal medications as well. I hope you might find this video helpful in case you are suffering from adult acne, and you can always contact us at www.drlipigupta.com, and we are at Max Hospital and at a clinic at Green Park. Thank you.